Hello and welcome to this guided walkthrough of the Zpoft WB Beta 2 version 0.4.1 and in the build of the 0.4.2. I've done some changes and improvements. Now basically this is the login screen. We have the login, we have coming features, you can contribute to the work, read about it. I highly recommend that you read our terms of use and privacy policy before you get started. You can either log in or you can register. You can recover a lost password and watch the recent news and our release schedule. I'm just gonna jump straight onto it, so I'm gonna log in as the administrator. Now when you come in here you see these nice animations. Basically this is the launcher menu, whatever to call it. It really has no real name. You have a menu, an application menu, you have settings, and you can create a new document from here. At the top we have another bar. This is basically where you can get help from the feedback and contact form. If you go ahead and close that, we also have time and we have our name, our username labeled. When we press it, click it, we can view our user information and we can as well change the password. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my user information. My name is Victor Wahlberg. It's basically a Swedish name. The username I have is admin, basically administrator. My email is support@zpoft.org. My ID is #1. The password is basically false, or the length of the password is false, as well as the stars. They are always 5 stars there. And then you can go ahead and change it if you like. Just enter your current password and type your new password twice and you're ready to go. You could access that directly from here as well. Then you have this on and off button. Basically you can access your settings, you can check your memory, enter the help menu and log out. If you enter the settings, you see you can enter and change the background, you can change the theme. Basically the theme is for this bar and this bar. We're just gonna leave it as it is. On this side you see you have an applications menu. Here you can launch your text editor, your settings. The settings is as well here, and you can create a new document. If we enter the text editor, you see we get a bunch of options. We can change the color of our text that we want to create, perhaps something like that. We can turn the background color on, or we can turn it off. We can make it centered or to the right or whatever legend we want on a document. We can change to whatever font. We can make it bold, italic, underlined, and another click just to make it back to normal. We can change the font size. Now this in previous versions of Zpoft this have been limited. Now it's unlimited, so that's great. Then you can choose to exit or generate a code. I want to change the label before I do so. So I just write Zpoft WB BETA and then I generate this code. One click, Control Insert or Control C, whatever you like to copy it with. You cannot use the right click menu, the context menu, it's impossible. It has been disabled. We have our reasons. Then just go ahead and exit. And now we want to enter a document. Now this isn't pre-installed or pre-added. You will have to add it through this context menu, basically creating a new document. Then you can enter the name. I just make new. And then you cannot use numbers, you cannot use any special characters, underscore, just the regular space, dot, nothing. It is case sensitive, so if you enter new with lowercase and then with uppercase, it will recognize them as two different documents. Just press OK to continue and edit. Now, this is not the default look of a new document. You can basically change it from the settings. You can change what should appear in new documents and in empty documents. Just press done when you're done. Now we want to paste in the code that we got from the text editor, so just paste that at the bottom. It will be the same for default documents as well, to paste it at the bottom of the document. If you just do so, go ahead and save. And now, just for this tutorial purpose, I'm not going to preview it, but I am going to download it. So I'm gonna do that. I just want to type new, and I cannot download more than 8 megabytes. Oh, I'm pretty sure this is quite a bit smaller. So I press download, right? And now I can choose where to download it. I download it to my desktop. I minimize, open this up, and voila! My Zpoft Web Builder text. Now this looks quite great. There aren't any themes in Zpoft yet, but many people survive on just regular text in different colors. Is very, very nice and modern today. If you know how to style them right, it will come themes and it will become much more easier. But now, as you can see here, done and done. It says didn't get a download, go back. We did get a download, so finish and return. Now we can as well choose to delete this document. Now we have downloaded it, so it's done for us. We can always take the source code from that document and put it in another document here. Now this is basically it. We can as well use close the document, of course. But now I'm tired, I want to finish, so I go ahead and log out, and I'm back at the login screen. Pretty nifty. I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and enjoy making a website using the Zpoft Web Builder, or whatever you are using. I don't really mind. Just enjoy it.